Hi everyone, I'm Mohammed Ali and I'm from the YouTube channel Mohammed Ali Travel. Today I'm going to reveal one of my best tools that I came across when I had to re-edit an existing vlog that had an unwanted, ugly background music. You can imagine, there are plenty of situations in life where you start to vlog and suddenly in the middle of the vlogging there's a song running which is captured in your vlog. And the worst case scenario is that you require a license for the song. So what do you do? I was in a similar situation and I started to look for tools and there are plenty. Most of them are paid, but there was just one that I found which was for free. This is what I wanted to show with you because I think you will benefit from this tool as a YouTuber. So the first thing what you would do is you go on my website www.mohammedali.tv, and once you type it, load the page, and once the page is loaded you go to the end of the website, which I'm going to do here. Now I have placed a link which is called Vocal Remover, which you're going to click, and here we have the option to select the file that I would like to split between vocal and music part, and I open it, and as you can see it will now run as usual. Depending on the size, it will upload the file and also process the file and give me the option to export the vocal part. The good thing about this tool is that it also allows you to upload the video file instead of the audio file, and I really like it. And if you like this video and if you want to hear more about this type of tips and tricks for new YouTubers, please hit the subscribe button below and give a like. And if you know any other tools, please comment below and let me know. See you then.